To make a deposit at a Scotiabank ATM, start by locating a Scotiabank ATM near you. You can use the Scotiabank website or mobile app to find the nearest location. Once you have found an ATM, insert your Scotiabank card into the card reader and enter your personal identification number to log into your account. Next, select the deposit option from the main menu. This will guide you through the deposit process. Choose the account you want to deposit into, such as your checking or savings account. You will then be prompted to insert your deposit, which can be cash or checks. If you are depositing cash, insert the bills into the cash deposit slot. The ATM will count the bills and display the total amount deposited. If you are depositing checks, insert the checks into the envelope provided and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the deposit. Once you have inserted your deposit, review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. If you need to make any changes, you can do so at this time. If everything is correct, confirm the deposit and the ATM will process the transaction. You will then receive a receipt for your deposit, which will include the amount deposited and the account it was deposited into. It is a good idea to keep this receipt for your records. Finally, remove your card from the ATM and take your receipt. Your deposit will be processed and the funds will be available in your account according to Scotiabank's deposit policies. It is also important to note that there may be limits on the amount you can deposit at an ATM, and some ATMs may not accept certain types of deposits. You can check with Scotiabank to determine the specific deposit limits and guidelines for the ATM you are using. By following these steps, you can easily and securely make a deposit at a Scotiabank ATM.